Transporting heavy, gigantic, and complex cargo is always a daunting challenge. From giant steel tanks, 230-ton cranes, to 72-ton crushers, each transfer requires high-tech and great mechanical strength. Particularly in wind power projects, the transport of important components, along with heavy equipment such as windmill towers and Caterpillar excavators, is an unprecedented challenge, pushing the limits of transportation technology to spectacular new heights. Wow, look at this giant truck measuring 140 feet long, 17 feet wide, and 19 feet high, with a payload of up to 300,000 pounds, conquering a wet, slippery slope. Although it has the support of an excavator to pull it, just looking at the towing cable, we can clearly see that this truck is climbing the slope without the help of an excavator. This is a clear testament to its superior strength. Despite facing the challenge of slippery terrain and the weight of oversized, overweight cargo, the engine of the vehicle still operates smoothly and quietly. The extremely powerful innate torque helps it easily overcome all obstacles, conquering the slope as if it were just a flat road. In fact, calling this vehicle a monster in the truck world is not an exaggeration, because it possesses unstoppable power and ability to conquer. Wagenborg Nedlift performed an impressive task when it transported two giant steel tanks, known as bullets, from the port of Stein to the Chemelot industrial area. The tanks were up to 53 meters long and 8 meters in diameter, making them large and heavy structures. Under the watchful eyes of numerous local residents, the Wagenborg Nedlift transport team deftly maneuvered the giant machines through the narrow streets, demonstrating their professionalism and skill in transporting objects of such great size and weight. Daring Energy Transportation Inc. faced a monumental challenge when it came to transporting a 250,000-pound barrel of crude oil from Salt Lake City, Utah to Casper, Wyoming in 3 days. To complete the task on time, the company developed a detailed plan that included more than 100 hours of route surveys, close coordination with utility companies, escort services, and preparation of engineering plans for the heavy haul. The company also had to obtain permits to move through the states of Utah and Wyoming. During the journey, 1,200 power lines were raised over 10 miles of road for safety, with an overall payload size of 18 feet 6 inches height, 18 feet width, and 229 feet length, and a total weight of 560,000 pounds. This was an extremely complex task. To carry out the transport, Daring Energy used specialized equipment, including a Kenworth C 500 tri-drive push-and-pull truck and a Trail King TK350 dual-lane dolly. The dolly measures 228 feet 10 inches, 18 feet wide, and 18 feet 6 inches tall, with a payload capacity of up to 250,000 pounds. An indispensable factor in carrying out the task was the choice of driver. The person assigned to operate this giant crude oil tank transport vehicle had to be an excellent, calm driver with outstanding skills and experience. Only with a combination of precise control and composure could the driver lead the convoy through difficult roads and obstacles and ensure the journey goes smoothly without any problems.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
With great courage and professionalism, El Segco Lassen completed a challenging transportation task, transporting heat exchangers and heat recovery equipment with a total weight of up to 73 tons from the factory to the installation site. It was an arduous journey as these giant equipment not only had outstanding dimensions, but also had to face dense ice and snow, creating many potential risks along the way. However, thanks to careful preparation and solidarity, the team overcame all obstacles and completed the job on time, ensuring absolute safety for all equipment. This is truly a testament to LSEG's ability to cope with all challenges, as well as the team's dedication and professionalism in performing the task perfectly. An unfortunate incident occurred in the Galapagos when a fuel barcaza capsized, causing environmental pollution. This has raised concerns about the long-term impact on the precious ecosystem there.
¡Con el floro!
Don't worry too much about where the train carrying tanks and heavy military vehicles is headed as it passes through Marfa, Texas. There have been military movements in the past, but their ultimate destination is unclear. Instead of focusing on the direction, use the house as a landmark and time how long it takes the train to pass that house. Dugro successfully executed an expansion project for a chemical refinery, transporting critical equipment including a C6 column, lights tower, and primary fractionator. These large components were moved by vessel and barges from Ulsan, South Korea, to Houston, Texas, USA, ensuring smooth logistics and timely delivery. Silvasti is transporting a key part of the wind power project to the installation site. The transportation process is challenging as it has to travel through steep passes and narrow bridges, requiring meticulous calculations and high technology to ensure safety and efficiency.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
In the small town of Ruffiac, a remarkable convoy of large trucks transports wind turbine components through the streets. The operation is an impressive sight as these massive components, including blades, towers, and nacelles, are carefully maneuvered through narrow streets. The convoy shows the complexity and precision required to transport such large and delicate items, often causing traffic disruption, but providing a fascinating glimpse into the renewable energy industry in action. Nootboom has earned its reputation as a giant in the field of windmill transport, thanks to its innovative and highly specialized transport solutions. The company designs and manufactures state-of-the-art vehicles like the Nootboom Mega Windmill Transporter, specifically built to handle the enormous and heavy components of wind turbines, such as tower sections, nacelles, and blades. These transporters are equipped with advanced features that enable them to navigate challenging terrains and tight spaces, ensuring safe and efficient delivery of windmill parts to wind farm sites. Nootboom's commitment to engineering excellence and its deep expertise in logistics make it a trusted partner for the renewable energy industry, contributing significantly to the global transition to sustainable energy. Harriket Heavy Lifting and Project Engineering is a notable company in the field of heavy lifting and transportation, specializing in providing solutions for large-scale projects with complex technical requirements. The company is outstanding in handling oversized and overweight cargo, requiring meticulous calculations of the moving route, necessary transportation permits, and the use of special, state-of-the-art equipment. This is one of the factors that helps Harriket ensure the progress and safety of large projects, demonstrating its professionalism and ability to meet the strict requirements of the industry. Moving a Caterpillar 3.5 excavator from one job site to another is a major undertaking that requires careful planning. Not only does it require technical expertise, but it also requires a coordinated effort between drivers, technicians, and supervisors to ensure the excavator arrives safely at the new job site and is ready for the next job. Transporting transformers to Kavildal is a crucial operation in the energy sector. Kavildal, located in Norway, is home to one of the largest hydroelectric power plants in the country, and transporting large transformers to the site requires careful planning and precise execution. These transformers are essential to the operation of the power plant as they help step up or down the voltage to efficiently transmit energy. The short transport 72T Brachanlega was a very special transport task involving the movement of a 72-ton crusher, Brachanlega. Given its size and weight, this transport required careful preparation and excellent coordination. The transport vehicles were specially designed to handle the enormous load, and support from the technical teams was also crucial to ensure a smooth operation. It was a challenging job, requiring precision in every move and perfect coordination to avoid any mishaps. Do not despise weaknesses, for sometimes they are the very boundary that determines the downfall of strength. The transportation of heavy goods, especially large transportation tasks, is always unique and there is no regular transportation service. To carry out this work, transport units need to carefully prepare steps such as traffic planning, route survey, and transportation location to ensure feasibility. In addition, transportation permits, escort permits, and cooperation with local authorities are indispensable to ensure that all legal procedures are fully implemented. Finally, the installation, pulling and lifting of heavy objects requires meticulous preparation of equipment and human resources to ensure safety and efficiency throughout the transportation process.
Aika monta hengiä. Paljon painaa kaasua. Mä oon tullut heikosta välissä. Tuo sen tuolta jää mitään sinne merkki. Mä olisin katsonut ainakin päivä, kun ne laitettu kiinni, ettei ne mitenkään päästy vastaan. Tässä onneksi tää on nyt tuolit joka puolella. Mitäköhän niitä tehdään? Meni hiili välttämättä.
Moving a mobile home down the road using a toter requires a great deal of care and skill. Despite not having a full support crew, this driver performed admirably. Please like if you find the video useful, share it so your friends know about our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or requests. We are always ready to support you. Subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos about the world of heavy machinery. Thank you for watching. Copyright disclaimer. Turbo Talk does not fully own the material presented in this video. The content belongs to the individuals or organizations who rightfully deserve recognition. We are using this material under the copyright disclaimer, Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, which permits fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. This statement is made to ensure transparency and respect for copyright. We understand the importance of balancing creators' freedom of expression with the protection of copyright holders' rights. We aim to create an environment where both can coexist, allowing the free flow of ideas and creativity. We also make sure that this video complies with YouTube's community guidelines in terms of service, including respecting copyright laws and encouraging the promotion of original content. Our goal is to provide high-quality content that respects content creators' rights and contributes positively to the YouTube community